At the deepest lonely nights, have you ever felt the pain about your future and career? Probably your pillow might have know the emotions regarding it, right? My dear friends, what should be needed for a tremendous success and to change your signature into an autograph? It's undoubtedly deep knowledge about the subject and proper planning. And today we will discuss about BSc Agriculture. Listening to this, have you felt, oh, agriculture? No, it's agriculture, the proudest backbone of the world. You can live without mobile, bike, internet, costly entities, but will you live without food? And yes, we have to be proud of our profession. But many of our students, friends, parents in and around worries whether there is scope in it, what will be the jobs and packages in it, did it have any demand in the market, is it worth studying? Haha. Let's speak about the complete information about agricultural sciences and around 100 plus tremendous career options. The list of governmental and private job sources we have in it, and also complete set of books a JRF aspirants are waiting and watching for. Watch the video till the end, you get to know clarity about your future. Before that, my dear Agrico friends, please make sure that you have sent this useful information to at least 10 of your friends. Gaining knowledge is greatest tendency a human brain have. Subscribe to our channel AR Facts Club and never miss our latest updates. Join the club. The very first question we raise is whether there is a scope and demand in it. Bro, there is a demand for everything in the market. A designer, doctor, teacher, farmer, carpenter, etc. etc. The question we have to raise to ourselves is how well we are good at and how well we are stuffed about that issue. Cheer up friends, we are agriculturists, backbone of our country, maintain your own attitude levels, be passionate, grow your heights. BSc Agriculture is something special with duration of 4 years with some intern training programs. After the eligibilities of plus 2, honorable entrance exams include ICAR, PAU, MSET, KEAM, etc. etc. Fee criteria includes around 2 lakhs for governmental institutions and private universities varies from 5 to 15 lakhs according to their module, and this is for 4 years package. The study includes about soil, land, rabi and kharif crops, water resources, equipments, machines, crop diseases, agri market and economy, crop protection, biochemistry of plants and basics of biotechnology and food preservation, microbiology, etc. Our most awaiting career options are the evergreen competitive exams like UPSC, BPSC, SSC, Defense, top grade civil exams accommodate in it, and exclusive exams. It itself consists of beast career options IBPS, AFO, FCI, AIC, IBFO, NSCI, National Seed Corporation of India. It itself holds up to 30 plus exclusive jobs which we actually don't know. If you guys are more willing, just ping me on my Instagram. I will give you the files. Another best grade state government jobs include AO, AEO, Range Forest Officer, District Horticulture Officer, District Cane Officer, Assistant Conservator. Campus placements. We have heard interesting news about Agrico Kavita Faman from LPU, who hired the package of around 1 crore by Monsanto going to work in Canada. Friends, it completely based on your knowledge and talent. Next we have banking and insurance sectors. Formerly officer grade jobs includes field officers, rural development officers, junior agricultural associates, agricultural probability officers. And also you can be the aggressive police officer. LLB courses includes lawyers and judges. Another career is journalism. We will be stuffed by reading agri magazines, articles, etc. Research oriented. Officers and scientists have special jobs in research centers with damn good packages. Teaching. If you are passionate about teaching, you have options like private, B.Ed sources, assistant professors by MSc and PhD qualifications. And our never-ending management courses, MBA and PGDM, postgraduate diplomatic management. Both are relatable with very small changes in their fees and duration. Both have promisingly high packages but one condition. It is purely based on your college and ranks. Many of the exams like CAT, XAT, MAT, GMAT and colleges includes IIM, Manage, NIAM, FMS, XLAT. Your placement packages include around 8 to 50 lakhs initially and course fees is also around 8 to 25 lakhs depends on your colleges. No issues friends, if you have will, there are many banks who support you with 85% of the study loans. You can be the politician in agriculture sectors and make revolutionary reforms in the field. Now MCA, Masters in Computer Application. This is a bit contemporary and new to agriculture, holding a major share by technological students. It gives out finding best implements and machinery robotics in agriculture. Exams include NIMSET, BHU, JNU. Last but not least, you can be your own entrepreneur. It includes dairy farm, poultry farms, vermicomposting, silk, rubber, tobacco, paper industries, pesticides and fertilizer companies, etc. Friends, once again, you can raise a doubt. What? Having such a graduate degree and making this what? Just think what the whole population of our country needs every day. Necessity is the mother of invention. Eggs, meat, milk have promising demand in the market every day. You can spread that business like never before and ever after at your own risks. Friends, as the video becomes lengthier, we will post the info about complete set of our very important governmental and private jobs in agriculture sector, and also complete set of important books our agricos needs and confuses about in a department wise manner. And also the special activity we wanted to run in this channel in the second part of the video. Never to miss the updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you friends, signing off, bye bye.